Hey guys, TJ said that he was traumatized by doing the beep test in high school, so we're gonna make him do it again. Right, TJ?
My therapist is really getting their money's worth this week.
Start level 1, 1.
I'm so scared. Easy.
Level 1, 2. Level 1, 3.
My shins hurt.
Level 1, 4.
Shut up, it gets way harder.
Level 1, 5.
Did we bet on what I'm gonna do? If I hit 6 without throwing up, I'm gonna be surprised.
I don't think you got 6 in you.
Thanks.
Level 1, 6. Level 1, 7.
You're doing awful.
Start level 2, 1. Level 2, 2.
Oh god, it's getting faster.
Level 2, 3. Level 2, 4. Level 2,
I
5.
hate this so much.
Level 2, 6. Level 2, 7. Level 2, 8.
I'm gonna pause the AirPods for a break.
No, you aren't.
Start level 3, 1. Level 3, 2. Level 3,
I think there's
3.
a car.
Level 3, 4.
That's fine.
Level 3, 5.
3, 5.
Level 3, 6.
I'm at 3. This is way harder now.
Level 3,
Oh god!
7. Level 3, 8. Start level 4, 1. Level 4, 2. Level 4, 3. Level 4, 4.
I think I'm gonna get hit by a car.
Level 4, 5. Level 4,
Do I look
6.
sweaty and gross or do I just feel it?
Level 4, 7. Level 4, 8. Level 4, 9. Start level 5, 1.
I'm at
Level
5.
5, 2.
I wanna die, but I'm good.
Level 5, 3.
Did you move these back?
Level 5, 4. Level 5, 5. Level 5, 6. Level 5, 7. Level 5, 8. Level 5, 9.
Oh!
Start level 6, 1. Level 6, 2.
I'm dying.
Level 6, 3. Level 6, 4. Level 6, 5.
I'm not in good shape anymore. Never was. This sucked. I want Nutella and a nap. My legs hurt. Jax said mean things to me.
I did not.
He did. And I'm pretty sure they were moving the pylons the whole time. Sucked.